Hey guys, Cody Hickman here again with 360 Catering and Events. We're going to do a nice little bean soup for National Bean Day. So what we're going to start out with is a little olive oil. We're on medium heat. We're going to put everything on medium heat. We're going to put in our chopped onions. Oh, listen to that sizzle already. I love that. Love that sound. Some chopped celery. Shredded carrots. And all the measurements will be on our recipe, which you can find on 360 Catering and Events or down below. So what we're going to do is, we'll get this, come on in here. Let me show you. We'll get these all nice and softened and glazed. Once you get the smell of the onions coming through, the aroma of that is just absolutely beautiful. Again, we're just going to do this until about 5-10 minutes until they soften up. It's usually about 5 minutes. We're kind of jumping ahead of the game a little bit, and I'm going to show you what we're going to put in next. We're going to put in our chicken stock. We actually make our chicken stock in-house, but you can always go and get some wonderful chicken stocks at Central Market or any of your favorite places. We'll put in our red kidney beans, our Great Northern beans. 2 guesses? Yep, black beans. And a little barley. Our spices that we're using today, a little cumin, some chili powder. Now I'm going to leave those out because as I'm letting this cook, I may want to add some more to it, depending on how the flavor profile goes. Add some dried oregano. And just a little bit of salt. You don't want too much salt in this one because you got some natural salt in your chicken stock. So you don't want to oversalt it. Now you're probably asking why I waited to put the water in until last. I'm going to stir it up a little bit, but this will naturally stir it when I put the water in. So it's going to stir all those spices and beans, all that flavor together. And we're basically going to just let this come to a boil. It's going to come to a boil. Once it goes to a boil, we're going to let it simmer for about 1.5 hours to 1 3/4 hours. So it kind of depends on, you know, just how the flavors are all melting. If your beans are getting soft enough, you don't want them too soft. You want them al dente. The reason you want them al dente is because as you eat on this, because you're not going to just eat on this one time, you're going to eat on this probably throughout the week. So then when you reheat it, the beans won't be mushy. So you don't want to ever have mushy beans. So here's the finished product. And I'm telling you guys, this is really, really healthy for you too. Lots of proteins, vitamins, and low in fat. Now if you're vegan, all you gotta do is substitute the chicken stock with a little vegetable stock. Or you can even do a different twist that I like to do, is do some poblano stock. So here we are. We have some wonderful bean soup, 3-bean soup, and enjoy. We have, again, the recipe on our 360 Catering and Events website and down below our YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you would, and we'll have a great day with you.